Baden Car Show, Baden, Maryland. It's neat, they have 2 car shows a year. This is one of them. 2 p.m. to 7 or 9 p.m., whatever, I'm not sure. I'm John. This is Sadwater Garage. Thanks for tuning in, folks. All right, let's start here. You might get a copyright hit, but if you're hearing this, we didn't. There's a Plymouth Prowler. That's nice. A Corvette. Another Corvette. (1934) Pontiac. I think we saw him at one of the other shows. That's George's Mustang. That's neat. Stephanie's big Chevy. I love this car. I like them both. How about a 21 Charger? Scat Pack.
I'll run and see if I can help somebody out.
There's a Falcon. Yep. Coyote Swap. Galaxy Roof. It's kind of neat. Lots of mods on this one. You can see the work they did on the roof. It's awesome. Coyote Swap. How about a 66 Chevelle? Wow. What a beautiful car. Oh, you're good. SOMD Jeepers. Nice Jeep. Nice Nova. Here's one of the newer Corvettes with the mid-engine. And then, no, it's not a Corvette. It's a McLaren. Still an American car, but you don't see these often. Interesting, interesting. A Buick turbo car. Fred's got a really nice Buick there, doesn't he? Oh. Thunderbird 4.6. Yeah. Had one of these. Really nice cars. All right. Let's get the next row. Well, let's get these motorcycles while we're here. Beautiful. How about a long bed Chevy truck? 67 to 72. They're saying this one's a 72. Chevy Street Rod. Another Chevy Street Rod. A Mopar with the Lambo door hinge kit on it. '70, '71 Torinos are always nice. Looking pretty good in the blue. There's that nice black Challenger we see all the time.
I think that's the car we saw earlier. That T-type right there.
$446 pack. How about 68 Camaro? Let's take another look at that Challenger. Oh. A lot of nice features on this Camaro also. Pops 57. Says 57 Chevy, two-door hardtop, no post. Got a big block under the hood there. A 69 Camaro. This car is absolutely beautiful. 350.
Alrighty, we have some
300 horse.
we want to take care of.
409 Chevy.
Claim your prize. Bring your
63
windshield car with you. We're looking for
409.
car number 71. 71. 39.
A stick shift in there. That's pretty neat.
39. 53.
69
53.
Chevelle.
60.
He was at Pop's car show. This thing is
Car number
absolutely
60.
beautiful.
Car number 7. Car number 7. We're looking for,
396,
these are
350.
all door prize winners.
This Thunderbird. What a
71,
beautiful car.
39,
And
53,
Novocaine. No show would be
60.
complete without Novocaine.
and 7. Door prize winners.
365 horse, so it's probably 327.
And you can claim
gasser
your
style.
door prize behind
Got the
the
roll bar.
trophies
This
under
thing
the
is
white,
so
orange, and blue
neat.
tents. Thank you.
Look at some of this other stuff. That 68 Roadrunner. That's a neat car. Roadrunner. Yep, they gave you a basic car with a 383 or a Hemi in that year. 440. I'm not sure if 440 was an option in 68. I'm not sure. Mopar people, chime in, please. There's a Colonnade era Pontiac Grand Prix. I love those cars. It's like a 73 or 74. A lot of them had buckets. This one's a bench seat car. Still neat. SN95 era Mustang. Green with tan top. It's a 4.6 two-valve motor, I believe. There's J70 Chevelle. This thing has House of Color gold paint on it. It doesn't show up on the video like it does in real life. This thing dances in the sun. It's pretty neat. Pontiac GTO. I love these 66 and 7 GTOs. That one's a 67. This Nova. A great paint job on that. 66 and 7 Novas are always great. But so are the 68 to 72 Novas like this one here. Nicely done. Take a look at it from the side. Beautiful. Look at this 67 Camaro. 67 by the vent windows there. It's the only year. That's Rally Sport's got the hideaway headlights. This one's just a basic 327 two-barrel, I think. Nice car, though. Convertible. It's another 66 or 7 GTO. Yep. Camaro is a convertible. The top goes down, the price goes up, they say. It's Dodge Dart. Very well done car. Got it all set up under the hood there. Looks like he's got air conditioning on it too. Nice car. Here's one of the 61 to 63 era Buick Specials. These have the aluminum 215 V8 in them. How about a four-door Porsche? Whoever thought they'd make four-door Porsches? Well, they've been making them for a while. Here's one of them. Interesting looking cars. 66 Chevelle. Beautiful car, I like the green. Street rod here. I believe that's a Chevrolet. I'm not sure. Don't roast me in the comments if I'm wrong. There's Tim's 57 sedan delivery. Small block 4-speed car. Just lowered it a bit, put a new rear axle in it. Here's one of these 07 to 09 Shelby GT500s. Really nice cars. This nice Mopar truck over here, Dodge truck. Nice display going on there. Let's go around here, look at some more stuff.
All right, if you haven't claimed
Here's another one of these
door prize yet, we're looking for
Colonnade era
cars
Grand
number
Prix.
71,
Really nice looking
39,
cars. How about
53,
67 Chevelle?
60 and 7. Door
That's a
prize
good one.
winners. And when you thought to claim your,
Here's a cool Volkswagen.
bring your
This is the kind of Volkswagen I want. Porsche wheels,
door prize
nice early bumpers on it.
trophies. And again, we're looking for cars number 71,
Just really cool.
39, 53.
The tag says 1970 on it. One of my favorites.
And when you register your vehicle,
These are so neat.
try to do it early. Yes, sir. Make sure your hood and trunk are open.
There's a 63 Chevy
Your favorite
step
car
side.
register under the tent. There is free candy for you.
Beautiful.
And if you are hungry or thirsty, check
Here's
out
a
Sunshine's
newer Rolls Royce. That's kind of nice.
and also the main ladies artillery. They have ice cream under the pavilion.
I think you can make the
Fire department, they have
hood ornament disappear under there. And
big thanks to
if you want it,
our sponsors today.
you can buy it.
Quality
There's no price.
oil, gas, and
You have to
propane.
text or call them to find out. You know what they say, if you have to ask, you probably can't afford it. But
Metro Golf
I like the
Carts,
green on this
Midas of Waldorf,
square body with the early round headlights.
Code Lumber,
Pardon me.
Purpose by Design,
67 Camaro, got the center lines on there.
Thank you.
Got some people rolling in.
And see if I can take care of somebody. They'll
68 72 Nova. 502 cubic inch. These are rat balls. How you doing? 1960. Look at that, you can have a picnic. 1960 Chevrolet Corvette. What a beautiful car. Small block. They didn't have big blocks in these yet. Cadillac, lowered. Nice car. GT350 Mustang. OBS step side. Customized. Roxanne. 1993. It's a 68. 383 4-speed Charger. Everybody's having a good time. There's another look at the Charger. Everybody's having a good time here. Look at this 49 Ford. We saw this at another show. You can't get a sense of the paint from the video. It's a shame because it's really nice. It's 55 Chevy two-door post. That's neat. All right, let's go look at another row. Look at this 70 Chevelle SS 454. Nice. The white buckets. Automatic on the floor. Pretty neat. How about a 30 or 31 Model A? It's got the fenders and the running boards and everything still on it. Let's see what it's got for a motor. Holy smokes, got a small block Ford 289 or 302 in there. The rest of it looks stock. Pretty neat. A 1969 Mustang, Lock 1. Shaker scoop. A Trans Am Pace Car Edition. 301 turbocharged. The insides of these are really neat. Look at the engine turn, the instrument panel. Square body truck. Some kind of late model engine in there. This nice Jeep. Mercury Marquis, Mercury's version of the Crown Vic. Nice car. The Hellcat Red Eye. A Hellcat Red Eye. Charger, that's neat. Volkswagen GTI. Here's another. This is a Challenger. They're fast. 68 72 Nova. Got the correct tires on it and everything. That's a nice car. Camaro Rally Sport. Looks like we got some mods going on under the hood there. Cobra. Check this out. How low can you go? Long bed C10, really clean. Get back from it a bit so we can see the whole thing. Oh yeah. It's come a long way. 66 Chevelle. A big block in it. Big block Chevrolet V8. It's a big F350. The Power Stroke. Nice.
Is this the first time you've been?
68.
With what?
I'm sorry, 67. Losing my mind. 67 Chevy Nova. I knew better that it's not a 68. The heat's getting to my brain. That's a nice car. Got a GTO Pontiac. 66 or 7. 69 Z28 Chevy Camaro. A 1963 four-door Ford Fairlane. The 260 V8. Look how they used to make the windshield washer as a bag, not a bottle. Nice street rod. How you doing?
How are you today?
What is it?
This is a 1991 Acura NSX. It's
got a wide body kit on it from a company called BSM Decision in Japan.
Cool.
This was built as a show car for SEMA back in the mid-90s.
It's really neat.
Big accessory car show out in Las Vegas.
I thought it was an NSX.
It was the endless brake show car for North America. So it's got 6-piston front, 4-piston rear endless brakes, Zeal suspension. The sponsors were Falcon tires, AME wheels, Comtech supercharger, which is on here. So this
And which engine is in this?
is a 3-liter V6. This is the original variable valve timing engine from Honda. So this is the one that started everything. Every
Nice.
one of those cars up in that parking lot have variable valve timing.
Right, we have a Honda Pilot. It's same
Yeah, this is the
same
one that started
DNA.
all.
Neat.
So this body kit came from Japan. The body kit manufacturer had one for his own personal car, never made another one.
Wow.
This is only the second one that was ever made because his best friend wanted to build a car for SEMA. So this is one of 2 in the world, the only one in North America. It's a priceless piece of history.
And we're here at a local show with it. That's
I get
amazing.
around to all the cars and coffees and car shows, and I show it off all over the place.
I have never seen it before, and I try to get around, so. Well, thanks for showing it to us.
I mean, it's a little out of place sometimes at muscle car shows, but you know what?
Anything goes at any show,
Yeah.
in my opinion.
You know what? It's a best in category kind of thing. Yeah, I'll show you some of the other goodies. The interior of a NSX was modeled after an F-16 fighter. This has custom door pods in the bottom of the doors. I can show you. It also has a wall-to-wall, to get over the Dragon. There's a wall-to-wall subwoofer cabinet that runs all the way across behind the rear seats, behind the seats.
Nice.
And then these are pure custom that, you know, like every NSX owner wants to have a set of those.
Right.
Supposedly it was rumored that in the mid-90s that this was a $20,000 stereo installation. All Class A Audison amps from Japan, crossovers, power supply, has air cups on the front.
And what's going on here?
This is air cups for the front because it was slammed on the ground as a show
Oh,
car.
okay.
So to get it in and out of convention centers and on and off of trucks,
Neat.
it had a lift for the front.
That's amazing.
Prop this up and I'll show you the engine. So the engine is mid-engine. It's like a Ferrari.
Right.
And then it's got a Comtech supercharger on it. So this was a 270 horsepower crank engine with about 250 from stock. This has 100 extra horsepower. It's a 352 wheel horsepower.
And what years did they make the NSX? I don't.
From 1991, this year, through 2005.
Really?
There were 3 different kind of sub-versions of it, but they only ever made 8,900 of them in the U.S. So these are rarer than 1/4 production from Chevrolet for the C8 Corvette.
Right.
They make more C8 Corvettes every quarter of the year
Than they ever
all
made of any
these
of
that ever
these.
came to the U.S.
That's quite something.
But it's a really special car. You can see how wide it is. It's actually 78 inches at the hips back here. So it's much wider at the back than a standard NSX.
How much does it weigh? Do you know?
A little over 3,000 pounds. Very
That's
lightweight
light.
car.
That's pretty light.
But I mean, for the time, the big wing, you had a diffuser, which cars in the 90s didn't have diffusers on the bottom to suck the air out of the bottom of them. Diablo taillights. These are the famous Pac-Man taillights. They have the little Pac-Man turn signals. Very, very well done. This is the only body panel that is still original stock. Everything else, you'll notice, this is continuous all the way over and back. And the whole front is one shell.
Is it fiberglass or
Yeah, this is long before
Oh,
carbon was done in any.
were the original cars all steel?
All aluminum.
All aluminum.
Yep, the original car
Interesting.
was all aluminum. Very lightweight.
But probably joined somewhere in and around here originally, right? That's amazing.
It's a cool car.
I love it.
Thanks for coming by.
Thanks. Well, that was cool. Nice chat with Stuart, the owner. Here we go. Crown Vic, customized up. Nice Corvette. '59 English Ford Anglia. I bet you two of us could pick up that engine and throw it across the yard. These are neat. I like these cars a lot. About a 392 Hemi-powered Dodge Challenger, one of the newer ones there. The 60s, late 60s, early 70s Corvette, 350 powered there. A clean BMW. A Ford F-150. Got one of the mid-engine Corvettes here. Snell, it says on the tag. 1966. This bill's super clean, big block Chevelle. The wires are all hidden, clean engine compartment. It's a Chevrolet truck. That's neat. Let's walk around, get a few of these. Got a Ford truck here with, guess what's in the bed? Oh yeah, an early Indian motorcycle.
Right around that area.
Nice. Chevy truck on the ground. Look at what it had to do with the wheel wells on there. Nice GMC truck. Let's take a view of the whole show field. Well, that'll do it for the Baden Car Show. I'm John. This been Out of Order Garage. Hope you stayed to the end. If so, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, all the YouTubey things. It really helps us out a lot. Take care, folks.